Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here alkyl cyanide is given. You are reacting with phenyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent and doing acid hydrolysis. You have to find what will be the final product. This reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction like carbonate. The cyanide also will undergo nucleophilic addition like carbonate. You have to find the final product based on the charge separation. If you look at the cyanide, carbon possesses positive charge, nitrogen possesses negative charge. The charge developed here is due to the difference in electronegativity. Nitrogen is more electronegative, it pulls the electron. So nitrogen get magnesium because of negative charge. Carbon get phenyl there. Then you are hydrolyzing, you are getting ketone. Here CN becomes CO. The conversion from CN to CO involves many steps, but understanding simple hydrolysis is enough in the scope of present video. Here you have to know the fact that cyanide can undergo nucleophilic addition and form the carbonyl group.
That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.